Hello everyone and welcome to the course Zero to Hero with Python. In this lecture, I will be introducing you to the data type dictionaries. Okay, let's start. What are dictionaries? Well, dictionaries are also a collection data type. They are mutable, unordered, and indexed. And dictionaries basically are a collection of keys and values. Each key has some value. And dictionaries, also like lists, can store items of different data types. One might be an integer, the other might be a float, and the third might be a string. It doesn't matter. Okay, so now let's talk about some popular methods which are associated with the data type dictionaries in Python. Okay, so first, in order to create a dictionary, you can write the name of the dictionary you want to create, equal to, and then open curly brace and close curly brace. Inside these braces, you have to write the key, colon, their values. Now, if you have multiple key and value pairs, you'll have to use a comma after each key and value pair, like I have done here. So since here I have three keys, name, age, and roll number, I write the name of the dictionary equal to open close bracket, curly brace, sorry. Now the first key here is name, so double quotes, name, colon. Now when I give it its value, I have to write the value and then I have to specify that there are more, and I do this by writing a comma at the end. So if I write a comma, I'll have to write another key value pair. So the next key is age, colon, and I give it its value, and then again I write a comma, which means I have yet another key value pair, and the last key value pair is roll number, which is 37. Now keep in mind that since this was the last element item in my dictionary, I didn't write a comma after the last. Yeah, you only have to write a comma after the penultimate item, like I've done here. How do you print a dictionary? Well, it's very simple. You write the print function and you pass the name of the dictionary in the parenthesis. Sorry. So now getting a specific value from the dictionary. It's possible since they are indexed. And how you do that is that you can simply write the name of the dictionary. Well, there are two methods to do it. You can write the name of the dictionary, square brackets, open and close square brackets. Inside those brackets, you can write the name of the key, or you can use the dot get method. So you write the name of the dictionary, dot get, and now inside parenthesis, you specify the name of the key. Both of these will return my name, and which you can store these in a variable which you can later use or modify. So since the dictionary data type is mutable, you can change the value of any specific key. So you can write the name of the dictionary, square brackets, and then the name of the key, equal to, and then its new value. So here I'm changing the age keys value, which was 23 earlier, to 47. Okay, so now we come to looping through the items in a dictionary. There are three different ways to do it actually. If you just want to loop through the keys, you can simply write a for loop in this way. You write the word for space I. This is I is independent. In, and then the name of the dictionary, colon. Now inside this for clause, you can do whatever. Here I'm just simply printing it out. Also, you can print out the values of each key. So remember, if you write for I and then the name of the dictionary, you will get the keys. And you can get the value of a key by simply writing the name of the dictionary, square brackets, the name of the key. So here if I use for I in student, I here is a key. So when I write student square brackets I will get the value associated with the key I. Okay, and lastly, the most commonly used method is to get both the key as well as their value. So you can simply write for key comma val. So here you will get both the key as well as the value in the name of the dictionary dot items parenthesis. So what this will do is that this will give the variable key, the key, and value to the variable val. Here I just simply printed them out, but you can deal with them and use them to do whatever you like. Okay, and like a set and a list, you can also check if a specific key exists in a dictionary. And you can do it in much the same way. You simply write if, then the key, in the name of the dictionary, colon. So simply I'm just using this method now to check if the key name is in the dictionary students, and I'm just printing out that this key exists. Be mindful of the fact that you'll have to leave an indentation after the if statement. Okay, and now how do you check the number of key value pairs or the number of items in a dictionary? Well, again, much like a list and a set, you use the len method function, sorry. So len, and what you pass the name of the dictionary inside the parenthesis, and this will return you the number of items inside that dictionary. Okay, and since a dictionary is mutable, you can add or remove items. How do you add an item? Well, you can simply add an item by writing the name of the dictionary, square brackets, and then the new key which you want to basically add a value to. So here I am giving a value to the key marks which didn't exist before. Okay, and there are two ways to remove a key value pair from a dictionary. You can either use the pop method or you can use the del keyword. So let me first tell you about the pop method. So you write the name of the dictionary dot pop, and inside the parenthesis you can write the name of the key whose value you want to delete, whose key and value pair you want to delete. Or you can write the del keyword space the name of the dictionary and square brackets and key, the name of the key inside it. Okay, so that's all I had for you in this lecture. I will see you in the next lecture in which we'll talk about the data type tuples. Okay, bye, see you.